lot to share about today. It was a pretty regular day at work. And then tonight I worked with Bailey on her math. Both kids are just getting up to bed, so I thought I'd give you a quick tour of what I've got on tap here in my basement. First off, this is my beer fridge. I've got 6 taps. Let me take you inside. On the inside, we got 6 corny kegs and a CO2 tank. We have on the first tap the Bourbon Barrel Imperial Stout, which is 13% ABV. It's a Imperial Stout that I actually aged in this bourbon barrel here in the corner of my basement. Next on tap right now, I've got a Copper Ale, which is at about 6% ABV, and next to it a wheat IPA, which was supposed to be a little something something clone. Next on tap, I've got the Pumpkin Ale. I've been brewing the Pumpkin Ale for almost 15 years now. Next, the unmarked one is a hard cider, and then finally is Brady Cola. Brady, my son and I make cola. Usually root beer, but he wanted to do cola this time, and that's on tap. So I guess because I've been showing you beer and my taps, I will make a homebrew kit, my item of the day. If you've ever thought about it, start homebrewing. It's a lot of fun. You get to do cool, interesting beers like that.